Hi there, my name's Steve Wright. I'm from ARC Marine. ARC stands for Accelerated Reef Creation. We are the inventors of reef cubes, the building blocks of the oceans. These building blocks are made without Portland cement and have actually very low carbon footprint. They contain no plastics. And what they do is they protect man-made assets like cables and pipelines or monopiles for wind farms, while also importantly creating marine habitat for wildlife to colonise and actually thrive. ARC Marine is probably unique. We are manufacturing low carbon, if not carbon neutral or carbon negative, building materials that can be used in the sea to create marine structures. These structures protect man-made assets, but more importantly, they actually create hard substrate which marine life can colonise and use to regain a foothold on what is otherwise an ocean desert on the seabed after many generations of bottom trawling and dredging which has destroyed natural reefs throughout not just the UK but throughout the world. COVID-19 has had a big effect on our business, on our clients, our potential investors, and our ability to get PPE. We had to stop manufacturing back in April, but we still managed to manufacture and deploy over 100 reef cubes safely off of Torquay, which has now become a new thriving reef with abundant species. Our big dream is to see reef cubes manufactured all over the world, either for industry or for local communities, with applications from wind farms to offshore oil and gas, to coastal defences, to mangrove restoration, simply just to build reefs for local fishermen to fish and feed their families. We want to see more and more reef structures around the world because reefs create 25 times the abundance of life than a sandy seabed. This is the only way we can get back to the thriving, abundant oceans we saw 200 years ago.